Hey guys, welcome back to another Unreal Engine 4 game development live stream. We're back with Project Hero, where we're trying to make an action-adventure game from scratch using Unreal Engine 4, Blueprint, C++, all that good stuff. So last time we left off, we were kind of messing around, still with the mini-map that's towards the top. And we got almost everything working, except we got our directions reversed, so like, it's saying I'm facing east, but in fact, I'm facing west, assuming this is north, which it is. So we gotta fix a couple things. I don't think we're gonna do all of this tonight, but first thing we're gonna do, sorry for the brightness of this, but we're in Jenkins, and our last build failed. I kind of want to fix for the reasons why. This is not one of the reasons why. That's some older reason. I think this one? No. The failure that we're getting it wasn't able to, I believe, send to Slack, if I remember right. Or did it work? I don't know, actually. I thought it didn't work. Hopefully when I open Slack, yeah, I don't want you guys seeing Slack because I have some work-related things. So I have my general game company one and build notifications. So like, it's been a while since it actually dropped like the login. So I kind of want to see why. And I'm running if I can quickly test that. I have a script. But it might be easier potentially to open the solution in Writer and debug. Trying to remember where it was. There's Hero Game, Project Hero, Hero Game, Hero, Build Scripts, and I have this one, Upload Build Log to Slack, right? So I should also have Python upload to Slack, and this one. We'll open in a new window just so we can take a look at it. I don't know if like something is wrong. Like, is it run debugging actions, or is it like, because like if I do run, I don't know what's gonna happen. All right, so this just doesn't work. Allow Pelor run. We'll use that. So no module named Slack. So I guess we gotta download the Slack module. So what is it? JetBrains Writer install Python modules. Well, this is in PyCharm, but maybe it would have, so view tool in Windows, but maybe that's what we're looking for. Python packages. Select an interpreter. I mean, I have an interpreter, right? This is gonna be fun. Okay. JetBrains Writer. Select interpreter. Let's see what this says. So navigate to File, Project Structure. I'll just read this on the other side. So File, And then it's project structure, Control Alt Shift S. Doesn't do anything. No Python interpreter configured for this module. So let's look. Edit setting. Do I have anything for like Python? So configure, yeah, Python interpreter, no interpreter. Go all. This one. Save. Okay. Yeah, so I don't have Slack. So let's start add package. Or can I just say Slack? I don't know if it's Slack or Slack client. So we're gonna just do both. All right, installed, and then Slack client, install. And hopefully we get what we're kind of wanting to get. All right, install. Okay, so now if I run, all right, so it doesn't have an argument, which is fine. Let's see. Let me look again at my actual script. Oh, I already have Jenkins open here. So I guess I can go where? Dashboard? No, I gotta go here. Configure. I haven't looked at this in a while, so I kind of forgot. It's gonna be the last one. So it's gonna be something like this. So we're gonna change build number to something else, and now, oops. All right, JetBrains writer. What's the word? I forget what it is that I'm trying to do in terms of like how to call and how to ask the question. Like debug parameters. Let's see. Program arguments. Haha. All right. So. So there's run, and then there's debugging actions. All right, edit configurations. Here we go. Parameters. We'll change this to like 50. We'll hit apply, and then okay. I'll run it. Now I should be getting a Slack. Well, I think Slack might be silent, but it worked. We got this new log. So that's always good. So that fixes that problem. So we can actually get out of Slack. I can actually quit out a couple of things. Okay, Slack's out. Get out there. Everything else is good. All right. So that problem was easy to fix. Thank God. Now, up into actual game dev related problems. So we gotta fix our Compass UI, right? And there's a couple different things that we need to do in order to fix it. Like, I think we have to fix the art asset, potentially. But there's a couple things I want to do. I need to create... I believe I gotta create a new data thing. So we're gonna make a new class. Yeah, new C++ class. Data asset. We're gonna say hero Compass UI config data. I think is fine. And then yeah, data folder Compass UI. Boom, boom. It's gonna create the class. It's obviously gonna fail like usual. It's just how things go. And then we gotta figure out what things that we actually need to configure. Because again, I want to make data types just so I can easily just go into the data asset once it's created and change whatever parameters that I want. So I just gotta figure out what parameters are hard coded at the moment, which is gonna be these two things. And maybe I will limit in the future like the max number of icons that can appear. So potentially that's something we'll add. I think that's gonna be a good parameter just to have, and then we can maybe just add it in later. I'll just add to do perhaps look into configuring maximum number of icons that can appear on the Compass UI. Okay, so in the Hero Compass UI, we're gonna need to make a new property. I think it's gonna be protected. I think that's fine. It's gonna be a U property, obviously. We'll say edit anywhere, blueprint read only, category equals data. I guess we'll just do Hero Compass data. And then we gotta do what? Class. It's gonna be, so this is .h, so that, but we're also got to fix the include Hero data. There we go. Now let me put the configuration data on the right, just so we have a good separation so we can clearly see everything. So it's gonna be class data, and we're gonna just say Compass data. And then after that, in the CPP, we'll include hash include Hero data Compass there. Now we can actually add data. So again, we're looking at 3 things right now. 2 of the 3 will be able to implement in an accurate way. The other one we'll save for later. So the first one is this parameter. So we'll just make a public section. I don't know if they have to be U properties or not. Maybe we can look at other data as an example. Yeah, they are U properties. So we'll grab something like that. This could be float. And then we're gonna call this I don't know how you, because it's both direction and how sensitive it is. Maybe we can have 2 things here. So direction. We'll just say direction sensitivity. Sensitivity. Well, probably no. We'll give it a default value of -10 because we know that works. And then we'll make another one. We'll call it the Compass UI offset. And we'll do -3100 right now. But it'll probably have to change. And then one more paste. And it's going to be UN32. Max number of Compass icons. And we'll say 10 for now. So those are all our parameters. So the next thing we want to do on construct is, actually, do we have to do anything in construct? I guess we could just throw out a warning when it's constructed saying that some data is not valid if we don't set this properly inside of the actual blueprint. And so we're just gonna say compass data, or just if not compass data, UI log temp, warning, text, whoops, no valid compass data. This will cause things to break. So, I think we can move that out, kind of out of the way. So I guess I could say, so I don't know if I should make consts like actual like private variables. Maybe I will. Private. Oh, nope. Private. Float. Direction. Sensitivity. Float. Compass UI offset. And then I can say here, so I could say directional sensitivity equals, and then I'm trying to remember the tertiary operator. So compass data. So if it's true, we could say compass data, direction sensitivity. Otherwise, we'll just say -10. And then, just as a safety hazard, so compass UI offset equals, and it's pretty much the same logic, but we're changing what we're getting, compass UI offset, and we're going to change this. So boom, and now we could say directional sensitivity, compass UI offset. All right, I messed something up. No, that's just compass UI offset. I'm so confused. What did I mess up? All right, let's just try compiling and seeing what the error is, because it's kind of weird that it's saying no to that. So yeah, syntax error. So I'm missing. So is it like that? Syntax error missing before identifier compass UI offset. Yeah, it's a float. Oh, I gotta say plus. Derp. So we should be good. Oh no. Why does this break like this sometimes? So it's always messing with this lib. Does that mean I have to like... don't think the editor's still open. What do we have? We have Unreal Game Sync, that's whatever. MS Build.exe. I don't know if that's important. We'll see in a second. Nothing in here so far. Okay, let's try again. Okay. That was it. Maybe it was the build tool, so that's good. No, it is this problem again. Oh my god. I don't want to have to fix this again. Because it requires me to do like a cleanup. And when I do a cleanup, it has to build everything again. Ugh. More clean workspace. Maybe we can just do that. I don't know. Because if we have to do a full cleanup and rebuild and everything, then I gotta end the stream because that stuff takes a while. Alright, so it's cleaning workspace. Please check any files you wish to clean. Oh. Files which can be cleaned safely are checked by default. So, clean. I don't know how long this is going to take, but it might take a little while. We'll give it a couple minutes. Ugh. UE4 bad image. I'm kind of just curious if there's any easier fixes for this. This is years old. Doesn't help, and it's not answered. Two more replies. Okay, nothing useful. Okay, it's still cleaning. So this is an error on the hard drive. Oh my god. Okay. Like, I know what the... I just want to know if there's a better solution than the one that I have. Or it's just like a full cleanup. Maybe we can answer a better question like that. All right, so that's probably what we want to do. So intermediate and binary folders, then recompile the project by right-clicking. Yeah, so we might have to do that. Totally fine, whatever. Hero. So binaries and intermediate. Bye-bye. Gotta take its sweet time. Generate Visual Studio project files. Boom, boom, boom. And then let's just see what the damage is. Let's see what this says. Because if it has to build thousands of files, then That's where I'm gonna be super sad. So far, no. Okay, let's see if that fixes the bad image file. It's gonna get to 75% and then we'll know the damage. All right, cool. So there is a faster solution. Just do that. Okay, so now we gotta go into UI, Compass. We'll do a data folder. And now we can just do miscellaneous data asset. I don't know if I'll ever want to add more data assets into there, but for now we're good. Boom. So Compass UI data. Save. Now, I don't think we need to change anything. Might be good to add comments. I'll do that as well. But before we do that, let's go into the Compass, and we'll have the property. Oops. Variables. Hero Compass data. Compass data. Put that in. And now there shouldn't be any noticeable difference. It should still work the same, which it does. So let's add comments. Let's open up Writer. Here we go. We can exit out of this. It's totally fine. Let's save. Let's add some comments. No, thank you, Unreal. Okay. Determines both the direction, the directional. Oh my God, these warnings. Bye. So both the directional movement of the compass UI relative to camera rotation, and also determines the sensitivity, speed of the movement. You can copy paste that. Determines the beginning offset of the texture of the compass. Limits the number of compass icons that can be drawn at one time. Boom. Okay, so we're all commented. So now we should be able to go back. Hopefully it'll compile without problems. Fingers crossed. Okay, cool. And let's make sure it gets past 75% this time as well. Fingers crossed. Boom. All right, we're in good shape. Okay, so now we should be able to mess with this value, negative. So if I make this 0, for example, which the offset should be different now. So now it says I'm southeast, right? And we're getting like these weird things. So I don't know what the right value is going to be. Like, see, it's kind of like, it disappears a little bit. So I don't know if it needs to be like negative 4,000 or something, or if we have to keep it at negative 3100 and change the actual texture, which would be annoying. Like, the actual texture is this. Like, it starts on northwest. So I'm wondering, like, I'm assuming it, like minus 31. Is that just like over there? I don't know. That's what happens when you try to like copy stuff from like a tutorial. It doesn't exactly work. Directional compass. The size, and it like it has a position. If I make the position 0, does that change at all the behavior? Not really. So what's positive 3100? Yeah, not good. So it's like, we can get rid of the data. So we're updating the position. Like, I guess I gotta start west, right? So maybe I have to. Let's open up Photoshop. Let's look at this texture again. Because maybe like I have to find a, let's find the point where negative 3100 is, because it should be close to east if what I'm seeing is correct. So open, I gotta do recent. That's compass border. Okay, open recent compass. Okay. All right. Did I keep the background? Yes, I did. Okay. So minus 3100. Like, it's close to west. So it gets offset. By 3100. So yeah, I feel like a value of like 0 should do something, right? So it goes to southeast. We'll say minus 2000, for example. Let's just see if it's still southeast. Yes, it's still southeast. So like, this is totally independent of what it is. So minus 3100. Getting me west. So does this have to be 10? Make this back to negative 3100. Now it's still east. So yeah, that's north. So what does negative 10 look like? Did I fuck that up again? I'm so stupid with this thing. Yeah, so that's north. So this has to be 10. Minus 2700. Northeast. Oops. Minus 1000. Minus 1800. See, this is the fast iteration time that I wanted. Minus 16. Yeah, see, that's the kind of stuff I don't understand. So I'm wondering if I just need to make this so, like, it starts at northwest, the northeast. So it's going northwest and then going down this way. I really don't know if the texture is the problem though. Minus 4,000. So, like, that should be north. Let's just do this. Nope. I guess if I just keep getting lower and lower, it's just not gonna look good. No. This is where it's very annoying to me. Da 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 da. 500. So again, what is this code exactly doing? So we're getting the yaw. All right, let's just log this position. Compass X position. Ah! Stop. I think that's enough. I don't know if I have to do anything fancy. And we're updating on tick, so we're going to see constant values kind of printing in our output log. Okay, and let's see. We need our output log. So 2993. So 2293. So does that correlate at all with this? 2293. Yes, it does. Okay. So we somehow gotta stay. Whoops, that size. So basically we gotta stay, what? From here? So we gotta be at like negative 1330. And then northeast has to show up again, like that. So we somehow have to be like in that range. So 1330 is where we want to start. So I think let's log our yaw. I mean, I don't know why I didn't just copy this without the tag, and we're gonna say camera rotation, yeah. We'll just grab that whole thing. Now, I guess we can figure this out. So we'll look at what our yaw is just facing in that direction, kind of like immediately. And then we should be able to do the math. Hopefully be able to do the math. That's the key word. Okay, so let's play. So 179. So basically we start out at like almost 180. So we have to get the negative 1330, right? So 1330. So first it's so 179 times negative 10. 179 times all right, 179 times 10 is that, but so it's negative. And did I say what I was doing? Negative 1330. So 79, that minus 1330. So what's it gonna take for my artist to finish? Finish what? Brand the Taco Man? So I guess I need minus 460. Let's see, do I start east? Kind of. No. That's south. I mean, like, what art piece is it? you give me no information. So I got east there. Yeah, it's still a bad offset. Like, it comes into play once it's negative. And then once it gets a positive, it's fucked up. Well, if you have a game that's ready to be released, but the art isn't there, then is your game ready for release? Or is it like promotional art? Maybe that has to be negative 10. Oh, I got south. Hey, Antheos, how you doing? A car and pedestrians. That's not that much, I guess. Is it? I'm guessing it's 3D art. All right. So, yeah. Now I need to put back this other log. Oh, that's cool. What are you working on? What kind? I'm assuming you're using Unreal Engine as well. Oh, the low poly as well? Damn. Yeah, that's upsetting if it's taking that long. Is it just like... You gotta crack the whip. You gotta be like, yo, where the hell's my art, bro? Did you pay him already? Or did you pay, like, half now and half when it's finished kind of thing? Online Roman Gladiator Combat Multiplayer in Coliseum. Wow, using Unreal Engine 5. Cool. Yeah, go ahead, share a link. All good. If you feel comfortable sharing it, I don't mind. All right, let's look. So we're doing, so right now it's minus 2253. So 2253, right? 2253. Was 400 the right thing? Small giveaway, nice. I don't need to be in any kind of giveaway, but thanks anyway. I gotta put in my birthday. I'm guessing it's Gory. Don't remember. So Shadow, whoops, oh boy. So Shadows of Glory, nice. TBD. Concept art, nice. You know you're a badass gladiator when you wear like the diaper uniform thing. Like you don't give a shit. Cool. I hope everything goes well. See, like, okay. So that's where the problem comes. When I get too far and I turn to the left, that's when things break. Like, basically, we got the answer here, and then we go this way, and then, yeah, it breaks again. Yeah, once we get to positive values, and I don't think the initial offset, again, matters. Because it's always just gonna kind of fix itself. So, like, somehow I have to, like, keep these numbers all positive. Or negative, I should say. Unless I have to, like, change the alignment. Like that. And so, basically, when we change the position, they can go either left or right. Maybe? We'll see. Okay. So that did do something. So now we're facing north. So we just gotta add some more, I think. So let's do 600, see what happens. All right, so we went the other way. So let's do 0. So we're at northeast. So we're close. So minus 400. All right, I think we might have fixed it. Or did I get it backwards again? I might have gotten backwards again. I'm so done with directions. I don't know what's going on. Because like perspective, you go top. So never eat sour watermelon. Like this is west. So why was I thinking it was east? Oh my god, I'm so dumb. All right, let's try 1,000. So close. So west, south. So this would have to be south. So we're in the right direction. Maybe 1,400. Ugh, nope. Now it's breaking. Negative 100. Negative 1,000. Okay, that breaks as well. What's 0? Northeast. Okay, maybe I can do something like that to fix things. Oh. 0.25. Yeah, this is the boring part with me not. Oh, okay, we got west. Almost. Then they disappear. So close, but no cigar. So basically, I want to be negative. So maybe like a negative 1,000. So that's north. Ugh. Negative 600. Negative 200. No, we're just going in that other direction. Okay, negative 2,000. So east. Negative 3,000. Okay, so southwest, west, but then it eventually breaks. Maybe doing that. Making this negative 2,000. Boom, boom, boom. All right, so the highest value we get, so we got maybe I don't know why this is so complicated to me. All right, let's just do 0, negative 3,100. Let's see where we started off at the beginning. Yeah, east. So we definitely need west. So minus 0.25, no, 0.25. All right, let's zero that out. Let's see where we start. So we start west, which is right. And then south. And then east is behind us. North is in front of us. All right, so there's slight bed offset. Maybe 30? No. Can we do negative 30? Maybe. Thanks for the follow, Brand the Taco Man. I appreciate it. Hopefully everything works out with that art. Everything, all the art that I have is all from the marketplace. I didn't hire anybody or do it myself or anything. So that's north. Northeast, east. Like, I feel like this is more east. So maybe better offset. I think that looks okay. So that's good. No, it's not. We get a break there. Fuck. Does that break when I put it at negative 30? Yeah, it does. Damn it. So close. 0.35. No. Oh, I hate this so bad. This is so confusing. So northwest, and now it just that break. Whenever we go negative, so 0. Let's see where we get at 0. So southeast, and it breaks. Minus 2,000. Let's just put in an arbitrary number. So we got north. So I think we need less. So far, so good. negative 1200 maybe. Okay, too much, and it breaks immediately. Cool. So this is probably not what we want. All right, so that's west. Spin. Yeah, and it breaks. Like, it breaks right there. Like, the offset just no good. 25. Make the offset 500. So that's north. It also breaks back there. So 800. Let's see if that breaks. So yeah, still breaks. I think it's like boop, 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 boop. Ugh. Does big numbers do anything? Like, the offset position is 200, and then it gets to like 3,000. So it gets up almost 3,800, which means like that. So we want to stay between 2,000 probably and negative 2,000. But I'm not sure how to do that. Like, see, that looks fine, but the directions are just fucked up. Like, this is west, so negative 1,000. Yeah, it immediately breaks. Yeah, you could send me an invitation on LinkedIn, totally fine. Okay, bum bum bum. Let's try offset of 1. Okay. So now maybe I could be positive? No. Maybe more positive? I don't know. Oh, kind of. Trying to go another 1,000? I'm getting north, northwest. So I doubt 4,000 is possible, but we'll see. Oh, kind of. All right, let's spin. And it break. Why does it break? Like, I'm so confused. So it gets to 5,000 and it's pushing it in. So yeah, that's too much. 0.75. Yeah, the number gets too big. 2,000. Okay, can I be less now? Two less. Well, it's all relative to the camera, and it's not the player's rotation, it's the camera rotation. Where do I get 1,400 northeast? So I think, am I going in the wrong direction? 2,000, 500, let's try that. Yeah, it's too big. Let's try offsetting it like that. Close. Ah! This is so dumb. I don't get it. Yeah, like, messing with this is so annoying. Like, I have the Photoshop file, and I don't know what to do to, like, correct it to, like, for my needs. Like, it starts at northwest, ends in southeast. So, like, I don't know if I just need to do, like, a larger one, or maybe, like, sensitivity needs to go down, or direction needs to go down. Like, so say this is south, directly around this corner should be north, and it's not. So sensitivity has to kind of be left alone, but I wonder if it has to be positive or negative. Like, it's just gonna have the same problem, because that's not northwest, so definitely -10. Off put a 0. It's not gonna work. -500, I doubt it's gonna work. Like, at this point, yeah, I'm just like making guesses of numbers. I hate it. Thanks also for the follow, Antius, I appreciate it. So it's negative large numbers, just gonna cause more problems. Yeah. So -279, and then goes to 500. Because, like, basically, what needs to happen, in my mind, is, so we have west, right? So let's find west. So west starts here at about 360. So then it just needs to go, like, all the way to, like, negatives, and then positive again, in order to, like, wrap around. Like, I just in generally don't understand the formula that I'm working with, and that's part of the problem. Oh, I hit launch. Cancel. Thank you. Yeah, so that doesn't work. -3000. So, like, basically now we're, like, kind of back again at the beginning. We're, like, starts off on east instead of west. And I'm curious if I start this way, if it'll start me west. Yeah, it does. So, and this is south, and this is north. So it's pretty much backwards. And I can't, for the life of me, find, like, what the magic numbers are. Because, yeah, this is just taking everything not even remotely close. -1000. Yeah, like, I just wonder, like in what way does it need to be backwards? Do I, like, literally just switch? Like, what do I switch? You know what I mean? Like, just change everything to the opposite direction. So this would be, like, northeast. This would be east. Maybe that's actually what I need to do. So instead of northwest, it's southeast. And then south, southeast, west. I mean, fuck it. We can try. So directional text. We can delete this one. So let's start at the bottom. So northwest, it's southeast. Yeah, you're right. So let's see if this even works. Then this is northwest. Northwest. North. Oh. Shit. Yeah, this one. Southeast? No. I already lost track. So southwest, northeast. Then west. East. This becomes southeast. This becomes south. This becomes southwest. This becomes west. And this becomes northwest. And that needs to move over just a little bit. I guess some of these do have to just move over. Where did that go? Oh, I was moving something else, wasn't I? Let's start this. So southeast, move it over a little bit. North, which is now south, move over just a little bit. That's good. I'm not gonna waste my time just yet on making the alpha channel on it. We'll just see if it looks right. Just in general. Yeah, this is the one I accidentally moved. Southwest is good. West needs to go backward. Yeah, that looks okay. And that looks okay. Save file. Save as. Compass. Yeah. And then file. Save as. And then it's gonna be Targa. Compass main. Save. I don't know if the previous alpha challenge just gonna fuck up how it looks. It kind of will, but whatever. Re-import. Yeah, that's gonna look weird, but let's just see. I think that's right. I actually can't tell. So we need to make the alpha. And I believe what we need to do is duplicate that like that. Make these guys. Just convert to smart object. Copy. Do that. Do that. We were close. Yeah, this is the in-between smart object. Okay. And then dashes. No. Let's just save that. And just make sure the direction's right. Import, boom, save. Alright. So I fucked up the alpha for sure, but that looks right. So let me actually just look again. So west, everything flows together. Okay. So let's fucking clean up everything. Yeah. I don't know why I hate this alpha. Like alpha stuff is so hard. So this. Like it just gets offset for some reason. I think that's okay. Okay, boom. In between dashes. We go up here. And then we need the big boy dashes. We go there. Oh, I fucked something up, I think. Oh god, no, G4 experience, stop. Undo nudge. Undo paste. Okay. I think that's okay. So what's our alpha look like? It looks like that. Okay. Okay. This is right. Oh. Okay. I think that's okay. This is what happens when you don't know Photoshop that well. You get bullshit like that. Okay. Import. Boom. Let's see. West. South. So I think we need to do a slight adjustment here now. The negative 2700. No, that's way too much, I think. Yeah, it's southwest now. Maybe just 3000. No. 3150. Maybe I was just thinking in the wrong direction. Now, like this is the fun part. Maybe 3050. No. 3125. I don't know why I suck with these directions. There we go. That works. I think we got it. Now let's just do a quick circle around. Like, yeah, this is north. Let's pop out, eject, top. Where is our guy? Here. No, that's our wolf. Here. Ha. I can't tell. Lit mode. Yes, okay. He is facing north. Alright, yay. Stop. Okay. Whoops, didn't mean to do that. Alright. So, finally we fixed it. Thanks for helping pull the trigger on that one, Antius. So, so now we got that working. What else do we want? Because like eventually we need to have specific icons for certain things that represent different things in our environments. Like, you know, eventually we'll need like a custom marker. We would need to get like a whole map thing going at some point. I don't know how far down the line we want to do with that. So like icons for taverns or towns. Obviously like enemies could be like a small red dot or something. Something I do want to do is adjust adjust opacity and possibly scale of these icons. So like the closer you get, the more opaque they become, and the larger they become, and just to make it a little more readable, just in case there's like multiple layers kind of overlapping each other, you kind of get the more important info. And you know, honestly, like kind of like how Skyrim does it. If you haven't discovered the thing yet, it could be like darker and then it becomes bright, or like fully colored or something. So that could be eventually. So yeah, we've been streaming for about 1 hour and 20 minutes. I don't know how much longer I want to take this one. I would like to start fresh with the idea of scaling. So possibly we can add stuff in our compass data for scaling in like max opaqueness and minimum opaqueness, whatever we want to call it, like that. So maybe we could just add that data and kind of hit the ground running. See, I put this under a tags category, so that's wrong. So let's go into our data. Config data, yeah, category, no. So we'll call it compass. And then, yeah, we'll make another public section just to keep things kind of separated. So this will be like the icon stuff. So you property, edit defaults only, category equals compass icon. And then what are some of the things that we need? So minimum and maximum sizes. So they're gonna be floats. Min icon size. We don't have to default that to anything. We can. We'll make it 0. Obviously, we'll want to change it to like, we don't want 0 to actually be a thing. Max definitely would probably be something like 1. Probably by default, maybe like 0.4 or something like that. Obviously, we're gonna need to like base it off distance and do a whole mapping. So like, you know, if you're 100 units away, how does that correspond to the range between 0.2 and 1 and stuff like that? So we got size, and then we got to do transparency. Min transparency. Then max transparency. And I guess let's, for the sake of being consistent, let's add comments. Let's see. Determines the minimum size of the compass icon for the object based on distance to the player. And then we can pretty much kind of copy this. Determines the maximum size. Determines the minimum transparency. And then maximum. Boom. Comments for the win. And maybe we can like quickly do some, I always forget what that kind of code is, a sumo code. Maybe we can sumo code what we would want to do. So we have 2 things happening. So draw actors on compass UI, right? So draw actors on compass UI. Let's look. So this is all the position stuff, right? So I guess it would have to be somewhere in here. We would say maybe we can have a function. New function. Updates. Icon scale and transparency. And then down here we can say, well, it would probably be void, right? So void hero compass UI, update icon scale and transparency, and it would take in a class hero compass UI icon. Oh no, it's called hero compass icon UI icon. Maybe we could just do a better comment like this. Just so we don't have to keep adding it on each time. So it would just be like, we don't have to do maybe it might be nice to add a if for this validated thing. So if current icon reference, then do something like that instead. Okay. So now we're doing a valid check, so we wouldn't have to do it in here. So let's see what the syntax is. UE4 C++, map range. All right, there's something on Reddit. There we go. So it'll be something like that. Let's. So what does this need? Must have a return type. So it would have to be like float test clamp equals, and then what? So input. So it's a vector 2D for input range, and then output range. Okay. So it would be something like. So I guess we would have to do. So what is it again? Vector 2D. So f vector 2D. So we want to clamp range. So distance. So we'll say player distance range, and then f vector. We would need two more of these, so it would be icon scale range, and then f vector 2D icon transparency range, and the scale ranges would then come from that. So I guess so it would be something like what's the data thing called? Compass data. All right, thanks for stopping by, Antius. Good luck with your project. Hopefully we'll see you soon. We'll probably be able to resolve compass data when that's in. So compass data, and then icon. Did I say size or scale? Size, okay. And then compass data, max icon size, and then transparency. It should be like the same thing. And then max. And then yeah, we would do the clamping and stuff like that. So float, new icon scale, and then it would just be what? Player distance range, icon scale range. And then float new icon transparency equals, and then this, but icon transparency range. So we can just kind of dump that into here. And then set icon scale and transparency using new values. All right, so I think we pseudocoded that pretty well. I guess we can hit the ground running next time. So thanks for watching, Antheus and Brand the Taco Man. I appreciate the follows. Usually on Monday we play games. I think we're gonna keep playing Halo Infinite. And then hopefully on Tuesday and Thursday this week, we'll do more game dev. We'll jump back into this project and kind of finishing up at least the first pass on this Compass UI. So until then, have a good remaining rest of your Sunday, and see you soon.